Huay Mae Sai Community Forest Learning Resources, prepared by Chiang Rai Ratchapat University. An overview of the relationship between community and forest. Huay Mae Sai Community is located in the mountains about 15 kilometers north of Chiang Rai City. Huay Mae Sai community consists of 7 small villages of 3 ethnic groups. The largest group, the Iomien, occupy 1 village on the Huay Mae Sai River. The Aka tribe occupy 4 villages, and the Lahu tribe occupy 2 villages. This community attracts many tourists because there is a famous waterfall and the cultural and biodiversity of this area. In the past, the minority groups of northern Thailand had a very close relationship with the natural forest. Even today, this close relationship continues in the Huay Mae Sai community. The community forest of Huay Mae Sai spreads over 392 acres of land and is divided into 3 parts: the natural forest, the ritual forest, the utility forest. The 3 zones together make up the community forest, which consists mostly of mixed deciduous forest and hill evergreen forest. The community forest has 324 different species, consisting of 127 species of herbs, 103 species of food plants, 8 species of ritual plants, and other uses consisting of 134 species. The community forest animal life consists of 88 species of birds, 101 butterfly species, 39 dragonfly species, 17 amphibian species, 12 reptile species, 13 mammal species, 18 aquatic insects, 11 species of fish, and other aquatic species including crabs, shrimps, and leeches. Traditional knowledge of many minority groups see plants and animals in their own ways. For instance, the world of the community forest is seen through the eyes of the Mian community, who pass their traditional knowledge to the young generation. This traditional knowledge about community forest covers the food that we eat for nourishment, plants for taking away pain, herbal drinks for curing illnesses, trees that are best suited for construction, and there are special rituals to ensure that the forest is protected by the forest guardian spirits. The community forest is rich with many different edible fruits such as forest mangoes and the macam pom, a sour fruit rich with vitamin C. Herbal leaves such as the singunmia leaf, which is used as a herbal drink for relieving muscle pain. There are many species of gum trees that are used for construction, such as the Dingyeo Diung. For example, in the distant past, for making sleeping mats and pillows, the Mian people used the Mian Dia Dieng tree. It is very interesting to observe the Mian ritual pertaining to the protection of the forest. Every year, on the second month of the 14th day of the Chinese calendar, they use the ritual forest, which is 3.2 acres, for a special ceremony as a way to ensure protection of the community forest. The ritual site is cleared, and tables are set up to present offerings to the forest spirits. Women are not permitted, and the event lasts all day. There are 4 tables. One is for the territorial guardian spirits, another for the rice spirits, the third for the tiger and dragon spirits, and the fourth is set aside for the protection against pests. The current status of the community forest is very stable. The ways of managing the forest has been very effective. People from the outside are beginning to look at their practices and realizing the value in using the traditional management paradigm in forest protection. University researchers have come to document their successes and publish their findings in journals. The Mian community elders have a keen awareness of the local environment and follow their traditions to help protect and improve their environment. The rules and regulations that tradition establishes help to keep the forest safe from the dangers of bad and harmful human activities such as logging and slash and burn agriculture. Fines are given to those who break the community laws and regulations. The traditional ways of the Mian people teach the local villagers to behave properly and to take care of the community forest. It also helps to prevent outside companies from exploiting the local environment. These are traditional learning practices that have proven to be effective way for protecting the forest. This is the way they see the world. They see it through the eyes of the Mian community. What about today and tomorrow? Whose eyes do the young people of the Mian community see the world? Maybe less and less from the Mian community, and more from the outside. Perhaps we need to blend the traditional learning styles with the modern-day learning styles. The community leaders have a very important role in protecting the traditional learning practices and deciding on adapting to the more modern-day learning styles. Huay Mae Sai community leader Mr. Dusit Apinya Wisan says that the community forest is stable and our traditions help keep the forest protected. Dr. Ranida Bingmung, researcher from Chiang Rai Ratchapat University, says that through joint activities between the university and the local communities, we can help all the stakeholders to come up with their own unique learning styles that they decide for themselves. They are the ones who can make forest preservation sustainable. Thank you for listening to this presentation on Huay Mae Sai Community Forest Learning Resources.